completely innocent in all this. They need you to survive. But looking after me and my son, I'm begging you. Please, I'm begging you, so please.
В камине в 6 утра фотография твоя.
Every single one of you is a player. There are no exceptions.
Kidding me? That child has absolutely nothing to do with this.
У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа, и все твои обещания